Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use new Messages app in iOS 14. The Messages app has got an impressive overhaul to enhance your texting experience. From emoji search to revamped Memoji and new options within group chats, there is a lot to discover. First, emoji search. This makes it easy to find the perfect expressions. To use this feature, tap the emoji icon on the keyboard and you'll see a new search emoji field at the top of the keyboard. Now, let's pin all the useful conversations to the top. To use this feature, select from the left to right on a conversation you want to pin. Tap the pin icon. When you receive a message in a pinned conversation, it will appear at the top of the pin and you can tap to open it. Similarly, you'll also see the tapback and typing indicators above the pin. In this way, you can pin up to 9 conversations that sync across the Messages app on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. To unpin a chat, tap and hold the pinned conversation. Then select the unpin option. Now let's talk about group chat. Now, at the top of the conversation, you'll be able to see all the members of the group, with the most recently active ones showing up as a larger icon. To start a new conversation, tap the pen icon at the top of the right of the Messages screen and type in the name of the people you want to start a group chat with. Then, write your message in the text field and hit send. You can also add an icon to the group chat. Open the group conversation, tap on the group icon at the top, and then tap the small info icon. Tap change name and photo. Now you can set a photo, Memoji, or emoji as the group icon. When done, tap done. The Messages app in iOS 14 allows you to reply directly to a specific message as an inline reply. To do this, hold down on a particular message within the group chat and tap reply. Type in your reply and send it. It will appear as a thread rather than another message within the entire conversation. To view a particular message thread, just tap on it to expand. Finally, you can tag people in group chats. Just type their name in the message input field and a suggestion will pop up. Tap it to mention them. Finish writing your message and send it. iOS 14 also boasts some cool new updates to your favorite emojis. There are fresh hairstyles, headwear options, face coverings, and more age options to better express your personality. There are also 3 new Emoji Stickers that you can send, namely a hug, a fist bump, and a blush. Further, Memoji and Emoji Stickers now look even more expressive thanks to revamped facial and muscle structures. How do you like the new updates to the Messages app? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.